What you need to know about a computer programming course. Computer programming may look like a highly complicated discipline, but at its roots, every application genuinely starts off evolved as a simple set of commands. Computer programming is largely the design of an easy application on the way to create a greater complicated program. It is currently one of the maximum sought-after courses and is likewise a career that affords lots of opportunities in a very exciting subject. If you're curious about what taking a laptop programming route may be like, right here are some crucial data you may use. The path. Computer programming is one of the disciplines under PC technology. It requires examine and sensible software of theories and ideas. Simply positioned, laptop programming is the technique of writing and creating a set of commands that a PC can read and execute. Computer programming isn't an unmarried, one-size-fits-all field. For one, the task of programming, or coding, entails several laptop languages. These languages have exceptional makes use of and as such, will frequently require a specific set of commands. JavaScript, for example, can be a PC language, but it isn't similar to HTML or COBOL or Visual Basic. There are also certain sub-disciplines in computer programming that cause a particular area of specialization. Students should determine which discipline of computer programming they want to awareness on. If they need to paintings for agencies that create video games, for instance, they will have to choose guides that educate photos and animation, among others. In the route of study in computer programming, a programmer ought to be able to research more than one standards and theories on top of the technical stuff, together with computer language conventions, factors and essential operators used to create a source code as a way to later produce a PC software. Computer programming is a vital section within the development of software program and is an indispensable part of software program engineering. How getting to know is obtained. There are essential approaches PC programming can be learned, through study room kind education or online, as part of a distance gaining knowledge of application. Classroom kind guidance remains the most not unusual manner of attending lessons for students, however online classes are fast becoming the approach of choice. What to anticipate from the path? A laptop programming direction is generally composed of lectures and hands-on assignments. The trainer uses lectures to educate theories and ideas in programming and to provide students with an advent to the area. Generally, college students can be paying attention to lectures even as using computers, a way for instructors to permit participants to without delay follow what they have found out. Other than get admission to a PC, college students can also be required to read textbooks for use as references throughout coursework. Some classes, along with the ones utilized in online training, may also be downloaded from an internet site. Who have to take the route? Computer programming isn't for everybody. Just because you love computer systems and feature sufficient curiosity approximately how they work doesn't usually make you an appropriate candidate for this direction. Computer programming requires quite a few endurance, interest to detail, creativity, logic and not unusual sense. It additionally calls for cautious take a look at an expertise of positive subjects which include mathematical and engineering ideas. What to expect upon completion of the path. Once a course has been completed, a PC programmer is ready to be employed for access degree jobs in groups that lay out software. If the programmer chooses a higher level of look at, he also can increase the chances of being employed for better pay, especially if he chooses a discipline of specialization. A computer programming direction can offer a graduate get admission to one-of-a-kind fields as nicely, together with banking, finance, studies and improvement in database management.